Hello, geometry students. Today you will be taking notes on points, lines, and planes. When you are done, you will look at the teacher notes and see which notes you are missing to copy. I did the first notebook check this weekend and noticed that many of you were missing notes for slope, Pythagorean theorem, and distance formula, proportions, and polygons and area. If you are missing any or all of these notes, please copy my notes. If you decide to snip my notes, please annotate important information. I will be doing the second notebook check next weekend, and if you are missing some notes, you cannot get a score of 4. If you snip my notes without annotating, you can only get a score of 1. In order to start your notes for points, lines, and planes, you must have access to your OneNote. If you do not know how to access your OneNote, please continue watching this video. If you do know how to access your OneNote, please skip ahead to the next question in the video. To access your OneNote, go to our Teams tab for the correct geometry class. Then click on Class Notes at the very top. Then click on Open in App. Where it says Open in Browser, you're going to choose Open in Desktop App. If you are given a choice for which OneNote app to open, you should choose the one that says Open for Windows 10, like I have up here, and it should look like this. Now that you have access to your OneNote, go to the Content Library and look for the Teacher's Notes tab. Open the page for points, lines, and planes. Right-click on the tab or two-finger tap on the tab and copy this page to put into your own OneNote. From here, read the resource, highlight important information, and annotate the information. For example, if I read the first paragraph of 1.2, Points, Lines, and Planes, I learn about points and I can highlight what I learn. I can use the highlighting tool in the Draw tab of OneNote. A point cannot go up nor down, nor can it go right nor left. Because of this, we say a point has 0 dimensions. Also, points are labeled with capital letters, like the point above point P. After I highlight, I can add an annotation to summarize what was highlighted by using the text tool right up here. A point has no dimensions and it is labeled with a capital letter. If I want to change the text so it's easier for me to see, I can go to the Home tab and change the color to whatever color I want and also make the text larger. This is how you annotate your reading and take notes. When you are done, please go back to the teacher notes and copy the notes that you do not have in your notebook, either slope, Pythagorean theorem, and distance formula, proportions, polygons, and area. To add a new page to your notes, click on the Add Page icon at the bottom. Whatever you title your page will become the title of your tab. If you want to delete a page, you can right-click or two-finger tap and click Delete Page. Remember, I will be doing the second notebook check this weekend, and if you are missing some notes, you cannot get a score of 4. If you snip my notes without annotating, you can only get a score of 1. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you with using OneNote and taking better notes. If you still prefer to take notes on paper, feel free to, but remember to take pictures of those notes and insert them into your OneNote. Go to Insert and insert a file. Make sure to title your notes appropriately. All right, guys, that's it. Good luck with your notes and have a great day.